Welcome. You're listening to Wi-Fi, where we connect what we know with who made it. I'm Keith Whitley, and today let's talk about how quantum tunneling is a shimmering example of the microscopic world's ability to surprise particles which, in classical terms, should need sufficient energy to climb over a barrier, instead have a real chance, by purely quantum laws, of appearing on the other side without ever going over. Their wave-like nature allows for some probability of being found beyond an obstacle, even without enough energy for the task. Rather than absolute walls, reality sometimes offers doors made of pure chance. This flips our understanding of possibility upside down, revealing that the cosmos is less rigid and more imaginative than the everyday world we see. For humans, tunneling is far more than an abstract marvel. It underpins vital technology and nature's most essential processes. In the blazing heart of the sun, nuclear fusion happens through quantum tunneling, permitting reactions that could never occur at the sun's temperatures if only classical laws applied. Without tunneling, stars and the light and warmth they give to Earth wouldn't exist. Engineers tap this effect for tunnel diodes and flash memory. Scientists use it to see atoms individually with scanning tunneling microscopes, granting whole new fields of discovery. Everywhere, tunneling cheats classical constraints, enabling life, science, and technology to flourish. Yet tunneling isn't some new trick, but part of the deep design of the universe awaiting discovery, hinting at a reality richer than humans first imagined. What science reveals as novel often echoes patterns long familiar to faith. So, for those seeking God's design in the cosmos, quantum tunneling may seem a masterstroke, allowing a flexible, creative world where order and possibility both exist. Before it had a name, stories told of similar wonders. After Jesus' resurrection, John's Gospel describes him appearing in the midst of his disciples, though the doors were locked. Then the same day at evening, being the first day of the week, when the doors were shut where the disciples were assembled, Jesus came and stood in the midst and said to them, "Peace be with you." John 20:19. This isn't just a miracle, it's a reminder of hidden possibilities within reality, not so far removed from the new paths quantum science has found. A second ancient story captures the same truth. As Jesus walked on the Sea of Galilee and invited Peter to do the same, the disciples were terrified amid the storm. Yet when Jesus and Peter climbed into the boat, Scripture tells that immediately the ship was at the land whither they went. John 6:21. This scene where the disciples' boat translated to shore in an instant suggests a world where boundaries between water and land, effort and arrival are not so absolute. Just as tunneling enables electrons to pass instantly where energy falls short, these stories hint that natural laws include hidden doors, written for moments of faith, but revealed by science as threads running through everything. Quantum tunneling stands as proof. Some limits are meant to be quietly transcended by potential rather than brute force. It is vital as gravity or light, a bridge between what seems possible and what actually occurs in the natural world. Whether scanned in physics labs or glimpsed in scripture, tunneling is a practical, mysterious, and beautiful feature of reality itself, showing that the universe has always held more pathways than we first guessed, and what is called miraculous may simply be an unseen law set in place by the Creator before men ever dreamed of it. It's a calling card for hope, curiosity, and awe woven deep within the story of the world. So, that's today's signal on Wi-Fi, a world filled with wonder, written by a creator who connects all things, from atoms to galaxies, from yesterday to forever. Don't forget, science explores how things happen, but faith reminds us why. I'm Keith Whitley, and now, you know the truth. This was Wi-Fi. Stay curious, stay connected, and we will see you here next Wednesday.